Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're gonna be driving the Tail of the Dragons. The lineup is actually insane. We got a couple of G80s, E92 there, M3 CS, M2 CS. So I currently have 5,500 miles. So we're gonna see how many miles I put on after this journey. I am super excited, guys. I have never done a drive like this. It's like 8 hours there and then 8 hours back. So I'll be able to see how the brakes perform, how the coilovers are performing, and give you guys an overall general review on what this car could do. And I can't wait, guys. Yo, that was sick! That was absolutely insane. So we did like 3 runs right now. We went up once, I went back down, then I went back up. That was unreal, guys. So if anybody is on the fence about trying this and you have any vehicle that can handle this type of the turns, the speed, go and do this, man. It's the aftermath. Destroyed with bugs, but it is what it is. Get the car washed later, but car handled great. Look at this color.
What if you put it a little lower?
Everyone's just cooling off their cars right now. The best part is, like, people are so polite here. If they see you with a group that's going pretty fast, they'll pull over on the side for you. You guys could just fly by, but man, and this, you can't ask for anything greater than this. So today is just day 1. I don't know if I'm gonna just split this up into 3 videos or kind of compile everything together. On this trip, I don't really care about capturing everything on camera. I just want to experience it, and man, this is amazing. I think that takes care of day 1. We're probably gonna go grab some food right now, and then we'll see what we do tomorrow. But what a day. I can't wait to get all this out.